Alright, let's get started. Let's open up the trunk, press the button over there. Once the trunk is open, lift up the trunk carpet, and that's where you'll find all the tools. We need to get that black screwdriver out. Yep, that's the one. We are going to use the flat tip of the screwdriver for this job. Now, once the trunk is open, that's the light. We need to push it right and then pry it out. Right, so right, push it right, and then pry it out. So use a screwdriver for that. There's a slot right there. That's where the screwdriver goes. So push it right just a little bit, like 1 centimeter, right? Just push it right, and while it's pushed right, use your other finger and just get it out like that. That's it. As simple as that. Once the light is out, we need to get the electrical connector off. So press it down in the middle over there, and while it's pressed down, just pull it out like that. Yep. Let's take a closer look at it. See where I was pressing. That's how the electrical connector comes off. Now if you take a closer look at the light, it's just a single unit. We need to replace the entire unit. Let's zoom in over here so we can get the part number off of it. You can pause the video over here if you like. Get the new light, align it with the electrical connector. It only goes in one way. Click it in place. Now let's put the light back. When you're putting it back, the side with that metal clip over there, yeah, that's the one. See, that's the one that we were pushing on initially when we were trying to get it out. So that side goes in first. So get that in there at an angle like that, and now use your thumb, push it to the right and push it down, so it goes in like that and locks in place. Done. Now let's try it out, and that's looking good.